In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect your xPORTAL wallet address to DoctorX. It is super easy to do. So the first step you need to do is open up your DoctorX app on your smartphone device, iPad, really whatever. Step 2, click on the MultiversX address and open it with the browser you want to use. Step 3, then you can read about the verification progress, and when you're done, you'll need to click I understand and then start. Step 4, now you need to sign up for Sunwaves, Callfluent, SealSend and Crypto Mayors. Step 5, then you'll need to paste in the verification code you'll get for each one of the apps and paste it onto the verification progress. When you have done this, you'll need to mark all the tasks as complete. Step 7, then you need to click verify and wait 15 seconds to verify. Step 8, now the site will say you have passed the verification. Step 9, now you need to verify the X or Twitter verification. This step reminds a lot like the previous steps, and you simply just need to follow a couple accounts and post your X post URL. Step 10, then you simply need to click verify or continue. Step 11, the next step is Telegram, and you need to complete these like you completed the previous steps. Step 12, when you click verify, you'll also need to do the CMC verification. Step 13, when you have completed those steps, you'll need to click continue. Step 14, when you have done this, you'll need to find your wallet address on xPORTAL and copy and paste it into the token distribution address site. Step 15, and that's how you can get the connect your xPORTAL wallet address to DoctorX. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!